Sales jobs can be challenging, and the first year in logistics sales can be particularly difficult. For example, salespeople in the transportation industry must sell their company's ability to move a shipper's freight, which involves prospecting and qualifying leads that fit the company's service strengths, converting these shippers into customers, and conducting a large number of cold calls per day. It is common for logistics sales professionals to hear no many times before securing a sale, and the pay is often commission-based, which can be discouraging. However, with persistence and dedication, many sales professionals create lasting careers in transportation sales, as well as lasting relationships with the customers they bring on board. Money is a major motivator for sales professionals, so it is important to understand the compensation structure at your company. Many logistics sales jobs have a base pay plus commission structure, and it is essential to understand the commission parameters and milestones where your pay will increase. Celebrating wins, even the small ones, can help to keep you motivated during a difficult year, and it is absolutely crucial that you take the time to pat yourself on the back and celebrate the wins as they come. Asking for help from colleagues, managers, or mentors is also important. It is important to set realistic expectations for yourself and develop processes that can help you meet your outbound sales metrics goals. Depending on your company, you may have varying levels of access to sales training programs. Most businesses provide extensive training to new sales representatives, including role-playing, seminars, scenario walkthroughs, and more. It's essential to participate fully in these training activities and use them as a place to experiment and make mistakes. In group settings, observe the behavior and techniques of successful salespeople and try to incorporate them into your own processes. Learning from others by trial and error are key components to becoming a great salesperson. In the first few months of a logistics sales role, you may face multiple rejections. In fact, I'd be surprised if you didn't. However, hearing a few yeses can be game-changing to your career and your job satisfaction. To stay motivated, try your best to stay positive through the tough times. Remember, it comes in waves, and that goes for both wins and losses. Get ahead of the curve and understand everything you need to know about your first days and months in your new logistics career by watching this video right over here. We will go over the first 30, 60, and 90 days in your role and what you can expect from your employer. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.